Are you a trader and you know you're good? I know you can, make money out of the markets. You trust yourself, you have back tested your strategies in and out, and you're pretty confident that look, you are good. But there seems to be one problem, and that's capital, the problem of capital. You don't have money to actually um, push your trading dreams and put your money where your mouth is, right? So you're actually a trader who want to backtest, understand first with other people's money, before actually going in fully with your money. So this video is for you because in this video we're going to be talking about a very popular trader funded program, if not the most popular one out there, which is FTMO. Yes, they're actually funding traders, with capital to actually trade. So this is pretty much something you're going to be interested in, especially if you're a trader looking for capital. So make sure to stick to the end of this video because we're going to be looking into a lot about this awesome platform. So make sure to stick to the end, guys. Let's get into the intro. Alright guys, here we are. Welcome back to our channel, Citizens Enterprises. In case you have not subscribed, please guys, we need to get our numbers up. We're doing a great job here, guys. So to go a long way to actually subscribe and enable notifications. Say again that whenever we drop us some content like this. So guys, this is our channel. Just head over to Citizens Enterprises, which you're already watching our video by the way. So click this subscribe button and be a part of this awesome family. So let's get straight to what we have today. So now, like I said, in this video, we're going to be talking about a very popular, if not the most popular trader funded program out there, which is FTMO. This is an awesome, this is an awesome plan, an awesome project, which is actually looking for traders, across many financial markets, forex, stocks, indices and all that. So they're actually looking for traders to partner with. Yes, so if you think you're a good trader, you have tested your strategy, you're good, guys, you're good, like you're good, you understand, you have a consistent record in the market. So and you don't have capital to trade, worry no more, guys, because the only problem is you being good. Because if you're good and you're certain of that, look, these guys are here for you. This is something you really want to check out, guys. So like I said, now let's look at what FTMO is now. So FTMO is a proprietary trading company which is actually looking for traders. No, by the way, this is the blog. We made this blog on our trading website, differ.citoenterprises.com. So head over there on our blog page. On our blog page here, look at my mouse. Is there. Also, the link to this blog post is going to be down in the description below. So just click the link and read the blog post if you prefer reading. But I'm making this video of the blog post, which is where I explain better the things we already have here. Talk about couple more things. So when you get to us to the blog page, please guys, make sure to subscribe to our mailing list, understand, to get our free trading ebook, and then get our free trading signals on our Discord. Like, get our Discord link and actually get free signals, guys. So make sure to do that, guys. So let's continue. So now, what is FTMO? Now, FTMO is actually a proprietary trading company looking for good traders to fund and scale with. They're looking for traders. The money is there, understand. Whatever they're getting the money, according to them, they have funding partners, investors. Now, they are basically the middleman between these investors and actually finding good traders, guys, good traders who actually trade for them. So they're actually the ones looking for you. So this opportunity is for you. The only criteria you need to have here is being a good trader. You see, when we keep telling people learn, look, you just have to be good. If you're good, the money will find you. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's literally, because you just need to be good at what you do. There are people out there looking for traders because this market can be very, very hard. So there are people out there looking for good traders who actually know what they're doing, and they're willing to fund you if you know what you're doing. So that's why we keep saying just learn how to do this, guys. Learn how to trade. Leave every other thing. Just focus on your education, on knowing what you're doing. Every other thing should pretty much figure itself out with time. So these guys are looking for good traders, and to ascertain that this trader that you're good, Obviously they have tests, we call it a two-step evaluation process, which are the FTMO challenge and the FTMO verification. So if you pass these two tests actually, then you're in. Understand? So these tests are just there to, obviously they're not going to give capital to anyone they see. These tests are actually just like everything in life, like tests to actually know if you know what you're doing, and if you pass it, then you're in. So guys, traders who pass this test will have the opportunity to be funded by FTMO and be a part of this. And with FTMO, understand, if you pass the test, you can get funding of up to $200,000, guys. Guys, that's a lot of money. Understand? This is a lot of money. Understand? Up to $200,000. You can get funded up to $200,000 to trade. And the awesome thing, guys, the awesome things I like about this company are actually two things, two predominant things, which is the fact that you get to keep 70% of the profits you make. You keep 70% and the company only takes 30%. That's crazy, guys. They are not only funding you, but when you make profits, you keep 70% of whatever you make, and then the company only takes 30%. And another awesome thing here, guys, is that you won't be responsible for the losses you make. How better could this be? You won't be responsible for the losses you make. Like I said, their funding partners actually cover, all these things. So the investors, whatever, they must have, accepted the risks before even putting this money out in the first place. So you won't be responsible for whatever losses you make. But then it's not it's not as simple as it's great though, but it's not as simple as it sounds. There are actually rules to this. Everything has rules. So FTMO take risks and money management very serious here, guys. Risk and money management, these traders are, that's why we actually train our traders to trade for companies like this, because here at differ we are very strict risk and money management traders, and that's the same thing with these FTMO traders, guys. They wouldn't give their capital out to anyone, so they are very very strict with risk management and risk and money management, and their risk and money management policies are what we're going to be discussing here, because it's going to play a huge part in your test, because that's what they're even evaluating you on. They don't care the strategy you're using, whether you're using indicators, price action, or you just wake up and then you buy yourself. They don't care. You must be a risk and money management trader to be an FTMO trader, to be part of this project. That's the only thing they care about. Understand? So and that's why if you follow this channel, you know that you should know how I stress the fact that you need to take risk and money management very very is the first thing. There's a video I made about the things a trader should know. I'll link the video. I'll link that video somewhere. Just the card is gonna be somewhere on your screen. That Go and watch that video. The three things a trader should know in the right order. Understand? And the first on that list is risk and money management. Risk and money management, guys. Very very important. So now let's talk about how to become an FTMO trader. No, like I said, they have a two-step evaluation process, which is which are the FTMO challenge and then the FTMO verification. Now, for the first step, the FTMO challenge. Now, by the way, before you even get in, there's a fee, you pay, but that fee is refunded to you when you pass the test. Like if you pay the fee and then you pass the test, then they'll refund you the fee. They're not doing anything. It's just because they don't want to get everybody in, every even people who know what they're doing and who don't know what they're doing are just going to get into the challenge, and a lot of time will be wasted. So they just put a very little fee. So you apply for the amount you want to trade with, and then there's as in, like, you can call it an application fee, which they are going to refund to you when you become their trader. When you become their trader, the very first payment they're going to give you, that fee is going to be amongst there. So they're not doing anything with your money. It's just a way to like filter people unserious people out, by the way. So now the first one is the FTMO challenge. Now here, this evaluation process is going to last for 30 days. It lasts for 30 days, and the trader will have to trade a minimum of 10 days. Let's say for someone like me, this is especially for someone like me. You guys know I don't like trading all the time. Understand? Every good trader does. Understand? So we don't like trading all the. At least the goal here is to make more money with as few trades as possible. So, and FTMO understands this. So, but they're saying, okay, out of the 30 days that of this challenge, you have to trade at least 10 days. Understand? It's okay if you don't want to trade every day. They are not even on your nerves on that. Understand? So, but out of that's like 1/3, you understand? 10, 10, 10, that's 30 days. So at least one, you should be trading as in at least 1/3 of the challenge phase. So it makes sense. It's a very nice one. So, and the maximum daily loss you should incur is 5%. Like in a day, you shouldn't lose more than 5%, which makes sense. Why should you be losing more than 5% in a day? Understand? There's nothing too too hard about this challenge, or too too off about this. This is something we know. Imagine losing 5% of your net worth in the. A lot of us will go crazy. So obviously, you shouldn't lose more than 5% of their capital in a day, and then the total maximum loss should be 10%, which makes sense. Also, understand, 10% is a great number, a round number out there. You shouldn't lose 10% of their capital, and then the profit target you should hit is 10%. Yes, here they have said this, but this thing will vary when you actually become their trader, because when you become the trader, you don't have any target. Whatever you choose to choose as your profit target will be left for you. But here they want to actually know if you're actually making something. So that's why this is here. We're going to look at the whole part where you become the trader sometime below. So now the trader will graduate to the next phase if they pass this challenge. So now, by the way, the images I'm going to you'll be seeing on this blog is for you applying for a $10,000 account. So I told you you can get funded for up to 200,000. So there are different criteria, but then these percentages are fixed. You understand, for this and this. So for if you're applying for a $10,000 account, 5% of $10,000 is 500. 10% is 1,000. So that is just simple percentages, the same rules, but the only thing is if you're applying for whatever amount, you just do this percent, apply these percentages for that amount, and then you get what you should be targeting or risking, as the case may be. So the next step is the FTMO verification. Now this is like another challenge, you understand, but it's just like testing you to actually know if you actually know what you did in the challenge phase. You understand? Yeah. So it's like a double tap, if you might call it. And this stage lasts for 60 days, and the trader will have to trade a minimum of 10 days. So now you can actually trade lesser number of days, even for more number of days. So out of the 60 days, at least you should be able to trade 10 days, which makes sense. Understand? So out of 60 days, you trading 10 days. That's awesome. They understand the fact that maybe you don't want to trade every day. That's not their business. This is their concern. The risk and money management. They don't care how you want to trade, which strategy you want to trade, when you want to trade. That's not their business. They just want to know if you can actually manage money out of what you're doing. That's just basically what this project is about. To find traders who can manage money for them. That's basically it. Understand? When you become their trader, they're not even concerned on your profit target. This profit target is only this set profit target is only for the the testing phase. Once you pass the test, there's nothing like profit target. If you want to make 1% a month or 1,000,000% per month, that's left for you. What they know is at the end of the month, whatever you make as profit, you take 70%, they take 30%. It's simple as that. The business model is pretty much simple. So now, like I said, this but here, another great thing about this second phase, it's not only that you can trade fewer days. The maximum and daily total loss still remain 5 to 10%, but now the profit target is now smaller. It's now 5%. If you notice, in the first phase it was 10%. The profit target was 10%. Understand? So, but here you can now make lower, which is 5%. Like I said, they are not. This is not their business. Look at what they're looking at. Your risk and money management. That's what they're looking at. So this is an image. Just go through the blog. The link to the blog is going to be down below. Now, if you pass the second phase, now congrats in advance, because you are now an FTMO trader. They'll just onboard you as a trader. You submit some verification documents for them to know you, and then they will finally fund you with the real account you applied for. Remember, you apply for whatever account you want. They have I think they have up to $200. They have 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 100,000, even 200,000. So I think that they even have higher than that as time goes on. So that's it. So now when you become their trader, now you can now trade. And now look at one good thing about being their trader, because this is it with their plan. Although the maximum and the minimum, the maximum daily and total loss still remain 5 to 10%. This is what they care about. Understand? Nobody wants to lose money. Understand? So just keep it which is reasonable. You shouldn't be losing more than 5% of your capital per day. Well, that's normal, in fact, for me. And then 10% total. So now remember, if you go against these rules, they're going to kick you out. So just take this rule. This is their holy grail. This is their holy grail. So take it very, very serious. So now the trading period is indefinite. You're now there. Listen, there's no like a trading period, or you're just with them. So far as you play by the rule, you're pretty much going to be their trader for eternity. And obviously their minimum trading days, they think you should trade at least 10 days at least. It makes sense to trade 10 days at least. So and then these guys still remain the same, and then there is no set profit target. So whatever profit target you want to set is left for you, because by now by reaching this stage and becoming the trader, they now know that you actually know what you're doing, you can manage it, so they're not after what your profit target is. You understand? Because the only thing they are concerned is at the end of this and whatever, at the end of the month, whatever profit you make, you take 70%, they take 30%. Whatever you want that profit to be is left for you to decide, and from your trading activity. So that's great, guys, because this gives you a lot of freedom to do your thing. So now there are also other things you need to know here about FTM, because if you're very, very observant, you notice one thing about this project, and which is this. I even we even boldened it on our site, on this blog. If you're not a disciplined risk and money management trader, there is no way you're going to pass this test. Believe me, a lot of people have tried. Understand? I'm saying this for people who like gambling, who think the market is some kind of casino where you can kind of gamble and then use risk and money management, go against risk and money management, and then get rich quick. Understand? This test was actually built in a way to filter those people out. So if you're not this type of trader, I'm pretty sure, I can bet you with what I have, that you won't pass this challenge. I'm pretty sure. I'm very, very sure of that. So what this means that FTMO are looking for risk and money management traders to fund. They are not looking for people that want to get rich quick. They have the money already. They are just looking for people who they can scale with. You understand? So they're not looking for these get rich quick, hit and runs and kind of traders. So I'm pretty sure that if you are not a disciplined risk and money management trader, there's no way you're getting into this program. There's no way. I'm sure of that. And which is, even before I knew about this, our training was built on this, because this is what matters. This is what stands the good trader out from the other traders. I don't want to call them bad traders. Let's just call them the other traders. Risk and money management. This is it. This is the holy grail in trading. It's not even my mentor would tell me, even someone flipping the coin but is using a strict risk and money management tool will even stand more chance to win the market over somebody that is using the so-called 100% strategy, which they advertise everywhere on social media, YouTube, Instagram. 100% formula doesn't exist. So the sooner you stop looking for it and focus on the things that matter, the better for you. I've let that secret out. There's not like 100%, because if there's 100% strategy, everyone would know it, will be using it. Understand? So it doesn't exist in the market. The market is on its own. However you understand the market and trade it, that's how it is going to behave for you. If you don't know that now. So that's why I keep saying, learn how to manage risks and money. Learn how to, yes, working on strategy is great. It's a great thing. Like I said, the link, go and watch the video on the 3 things a trader must know. Go and watch that video. It's very, very educated. You're going to learn a lot, because there we talked a lot about this in more details. That's why our training, we have actually made our training around this. And in fact, you can actually can as well say that we're training you to trade for to trade other people's money, because here we said we don't only teach and coach you on how to trade your own money, we also teach you how to trade other people's money, which is very, very important. If you are reckless with your own money, other people don't want you to be reckless with their money, which is what our training is meant to do. Because if we say we're training you to trade your own money, that means, okay, you can be reckless with your own money, and if things go bad for you, then fine for you, if it's okay by you. But no, we want you to be able to build a stable business around trading. That's the way we have actually configured our training. So if you want to be a part of the different financial market training, we have training for forex, we have crypto, we have binary statistics, and as of the point of recording this video, the stock training is almost out. So any financial market you want to be part of is out there in the sun. So like I said, this training is meant to teach you how to be a successful trader. You can see there are actually business models out there for traders like projects like FTMO is not the only one out there. There are a lot of prop trading firms looking for good traders. Good traders are very very scarce. Stars having that only less than 5% of the people traders in the market are actually successful. So these firms are looking for those 5%, and it's very very difficult. So your problem is not capital. People who are actually looking to fund you are there. It's just about you knowing what you're doing. Whether you want to go through prof trading firms or you want to go, independent, indie on your own, or start your own hedge fund. There people are looking for where to put their money in. So the only favor you need to do for yourself is to actually get ready so that you can harness these opportunities when they come close to you. And there's already one here standing in front of you. Understand? So FCM is going to fund you if you know what you're doing, and they're only concerned about your risk and money management game. They don't care what strategy you're using, what indicator you're using. They need you to manage their money. Understand? So that's why we have actually made our training in such a way that you can as well say we're getting you ready for FTMO and trading other people's money. Because if you can trade other people's money and handle that pressure, believe me, you can trade for anyone. Believe me, even yourself. So what I'm telling you, you're going to learn how to trade for other people. You can as well, have it in a way in your mind that we're actually getting you ready for the bigger challenge, so that you can actually handle other smaller challenge and smaller pressure, like handling your own money. And this is how our training comes. It's not just our training are not just courses, these courses people sell and then you just go. No, our training comes with a full course and a lifetime mentorship. So what it means that even let's say you're a part of our training and then you get into this team, even running into challenges, we can help you, we can mentor you on what you should do. That's what we call a lifetime. In fact, this is what you're paying for when you're getting into that training, lifetime mentor, because you can get a forex course anyway. Even here on YouTube, I don't cut through the corners. You can get free courses on forex and trading on YouTube. You can learn it for free, but nobody's gonna mentor you because it's just a course you just get out there. You can even get free courses on platforms like Udemy, Plural Sites, and all that. But this lifetime mentorship is very, very rare because believe me, there are going to be times when things will start going south. I need a mentor, a coach to talk to. This is actually what you're paying for, even. And then on top of that, you actually get a free signal provision for 1 year, guys. You don't get this offer anywhere. Please, if you find this offer, bring it to me, and I'm going to make it even better to show that I'm out here to actually help traders who actually want to up their game, guys. We're actually here to help you guys. So if you want to be a part of this trend, there's a link here. Click this link and you're actually going to go to our financial trading platform. Now you can pick any course. I'm going to open that link on a new tab. You can pick any course of your choice and then be a part of us today. So I'm going to load that. I don't know. It's going to load up. So guys, go over to our trading this is our learning site, academy.citosenterprise.com. The link is going to be on the blog and also in the description below. So click that link and it's going to take you here where you're actually gonna pick a course or pick a training and enroll. So when you enroll, we activate the course on your profile and then we add it to the mentorship group. And then when you're ready to start trading, you can start off with trading with our signals. Even when you're ready to join the FTMO challenge, the links to join the FTMO challenge, they are all in this blog and they are going to be in the description below whenever you're ready. If you're ready now, fine. I know there are a lot of pro traders already watching this and they're looking for money capital to start trading. So you guys, if you feel you're okay, you can go ahead with it. The link to joining FTMO is gonna be down in the description box below. So these are link site. So go over here and you pick a course. We have the crypto course, binary and stake course, and the forex course. So the stock course is actually gonna be out. We want to release courses and training, and they're training actually, not just courses. Training, like I said, our training consists of the course, full-time lifetime mentorship, and then 1 year free signal provision for free, guys, on all the financial markets. So we want to provide this for all the financial markets so that traders actually get the help they want, and it's actually very 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 affordable, guys. Very very affordable. You're getting more value for the price. So guys, remember to join our mailing list, so that you can actually get our free trading ebook and our free signals. So like I said on the blog, the link to join our email list is going to be down below, so you get these freebies. Also is on the blog post. Go to our blog and then here on the on the sidebar, just pop in your email link and then you're going to receive these things sent to your email straight up. So that's it, guys. I believe you have learned a lot. So right now, I've provided two types of value here. I'm not only giving you a source for you to learn how to actually trade very well. I've also provided you a source to actually get funded for knowing how to trade. So you don't have any excuse now not to, up your trading game right now. And I'm being frank with you guys. So I know you have gotten a lot from this video. And if you have watched this end to this point, welcome to the Watch the End Club. You guys really motivate me a lot. Please, guys, you guys motivate me a lot. So make sure to watch our videos to the end. It actually helps this channel. And if you actually enjoyed this video, which I know you did, because the tons of value I just gave out in this video, please go down below and smash that like button. I call that like button the vote icon. It actually helps YouTube say, okay, we're going to recommend this video to a whole lot other traders who are actually looking for capital or training on how to really trade the financial market, guys. So like I said, go down below and smash that like button. Join our free group. Understand? Pop your email link on the link below. Understand? To join our email list, and you're going to receive our free trading book and the link to join our free Discord group where you get free signals, guys. All for free, guys. You get that all for free. And if you want to learn more about us, visit our site c2senterprise.com. Also, guys, please, guys, please smash that subscribe button, guys. Smash that subscribe button. Here on our channel we talk about pretty much about trading, investing, marketing, e-commerce, and pretty much a lot of things in the scope of making money online, guys. And we mean that genuinely, guys. We're not just some kind of propaganda going out there. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to see you in the next one, guys. Have a nice rest of your day, guys. Peace.